See, technology space evolves very, very fast. People in terms of skill also start getting dated if they are not keeping themselves updated with the technology at a rapid pace. So the biggest challenge would be that you need to upgrade your skills and you need to keep pace with the overall technology upgradation. If you can't do it, if you won't do it, perhaps you'll be lagging behind. So that will be the biggest challenge. You'll have to be onto it and ensure that you are also evolving your skills with the help of as the technology is evolving. Speed of information and speed of analytics around information would define the technology in the HR space. Predictive analysis and predictive methods in terms of identifying people who are sitting on the fence, people who are high potential, people who will leave the organization, people who need to be given more focus. All this predictive methodology needs to be used to ensure that these are the trends which will basically define the ways HR will work. The design of the technology is never by a technology itself. Design of a technology is by a human, and technology can be as effective as the people who are designing are in the core of the process and they know the process. So that will anyway remain there. Technology will also require redefining, refining and rework at a certain period of time. Again, a human interface would be needed, and as an employee or as an HR, you would be in position to leverage technology to be far more closer to the employees, and it will not really take you away, rather it will facilitate your effectiveness. That's how I look at it. Global organizations, people working from one geography, interacting with other people and sitting in a different geography. I think technology will help you know people better, and it will also help you, understand human psychology better. So it will be enabler, as I see it.